Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and to this video. In the previous two lectures we have seen that what is the data structure and why do we need data structure, and we have gained knowledge about a brief introduction about the classification of data structure. So from this video onwards we will see about the classification of data structure in a most organized way and in a more detailed manner. So let's do it. First is primitive data structure. So what is primitive data structure? Primitive data structures are the data structures which consist of the numbers and the characters that come in built into programs. Second is, these data structures can be manipulated or operated directly by machine level instructions. Third is, basic data types like integer, float, character and boolean come under the primitive data structures. And finally, the fourth one is, these data types are also called simple data types, as they can contain characters that can't be divided further, or we can say that we should not divide them further. Second is non-primitive data structures. Non-primitive data structures are those data structures derived from the primitive data structure. Second is, these data structures can be manipulated or operated directly by machine level instructions. Third is, the focus of this data structure is on forming a set of data elements that is either homogeneous, same data type, or heterogeneous, different data types. Based on the structure and arrangement of data, we can divide these data structures into two subcategories: linear data structures and non-linear data structure. So what is linear data structure? A data structure that preserves a linear connection among its data elements is known as linear data structure. Or in a more detailed manner, we can say that the arrangement of the data is done linearly, where each element consists of the successors and predecessors except the first and the last data element. However, it is not necessarily true that in the case of memory, as the arrangement may not be sequential, or we can say that the arrangement cannot be sequential. Based on the memory allocation, the linear data structures are further classified into two types: static data structures and dynamic data structure. So what is static data structure? The data structures having a fixed size is known as static data structure, as we can say from its name. The memory for these data structures is allocated at the compiler time, and their size cannot be changed by the user after being compiled. However, the data can be stored in them, can be altered. The array is the best example of the static data structure, as they have a fixed size and its data can be modified later. Second is dynamic data structures. The data structures having a dynamic size is known as dynamic data structures. The memory of these data structures is allocated at the runtime, and the size varies during the runtime of the code. Moreover, the user can change the size as well as the data elements stored in these data structures at the runtime of the code. Linked list, tag, queues are the most common examples of dynamic data structure. So thank you. In the next video, we will learn about the most linear data structure in a most detailed way. Thank you.